Who is this Crazel? Yes, Karthik. Mark your attendance. Mohit, Chirag, mark your attendance. Good morning, Mohit. Mark your attendance. Manan, sit straight. Okay, any doubt in your test number 3? Raise your hand.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when will marks come?
मार्क्स बताए तो थे, कल दिखाए तो थे क्लास में.
No, sir.
ओके, मैं सेंड कर दूंगा, मुझे मैसेज कर देना जिसको अपने मार्क्स नहीं पता चले. व्हाट्सएप कर देना. ओके, एनी डाउट इन योर टेस्ट नंबर 3? Else we will move. Exercise 5.3. First 9 question, any doubt? Exercise 5.3, first 9 question, any doubt? Okay, no doubt. Read statement of 10th question. Show that A1, A2 and AN form an AP where nth term is defined as follows. क्वेश्चन है A1 A2 AN जो एक AP बना रही है, उसमें nth टर्म को जो डिफाइन किया गया है, nth टर्म इज डिफाइंड एज 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of first 50 terms. सबसे पहले ये बताना है कि ये 80 है या नहीं, और उसके बाद आपको 15 टर्म का सम फाइंड करना है. Now if A1 n is 1, then A1 will be 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4, 7. So A1 is 7. Yes, Madhusudan. Yes. बोलो मधुसूदन.
व्हाट्सएप क्या?
रेज हैंड कर रखा है आपने, क्यों किया? एनी डाउट?
सर नो सर, प्रेजेंट.
ओके, प्रेजेंट के लिए चैट बॉक्स में प्रेजेंट सर लिख दिया करो. इंस्ट्रक्शन दी तो.
ओके सर.
नाउ फॉर n equals to stop writing. Anybody, all of you are stop writing. Now if n is 2, then A2 3 plus 4 into n, that is 2. So 3 plus a, that is 11. So A2 is 11. Now for n equals 3, here this will become A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 3 plus 4 3 is 12, that is 15. So A3 is 15. Now condition for AP is the common difference will always be same. So check the common difference. The common difference D is A2 minus A1. So A2 that is 11 minus A1 that is 7. So D is 4 and D is A3 minus A2 and A3 is 15 minus A2 that is 11. So again this is 4. Hence common difference is same. So this forms an AP. Note it down. Now we have to find Sn, sum of n term, that is here we have given as 15. Find the sum of first 15 term. So Sn, the formula of Sn is, yes Prerna. Sorry, who is this Crazel? Aishwarya? Are you Aishwarya? Crazel नाम के जिसका शो कर रहा है? Yes, Mohit. Formula for Sn. Okay, Gauri. Formula for Sn. Mohit, formula for Sn.
Sir, n by 2.
N by 2.
Sir,
Sn
n by
equals
2
to
Next.
bracket
N by
2a
2. Yes.
2a
Yes.
plus n minus 1 multiply by d.
Yes. So substitute the value of n, that is 15, to a. A is your first term and here the a is 7 plus n, that is 15 minus 1 into d. Here the d is 4. Now solve this. You can solve this. Solve and write your answer in text box. In chat box, write your answer of this S15. Yes, this is 5 to 5. Any doubt? Raise your hand if you have doubt in sum number 10. Question number 10, if you have doubt, raise your hand. Similarly, you can solve the second part of this question, that is nth term equals 9 minus 5n. Similarly, put n1, 2, 3 and find d, then find s15. Now, read the statement of 11th question. If the sum of first n terms, first note down this and read the statement of 11th question. Student, if this is my AP 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, then the sum of first term S1 will be Mayank, S1 will be, this is my AP, then S1 will be, Mayank,
Yes, sir.
S1 will be for this AP.
Yes, AP. Sir,
Ayushman,
sir, AP.
yes, bolo. Ayushman,
Sir, 1.
S1 for this AP, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Yes, Manan.
Sir, S1 equal to N upon 2 A.
Leave it, leave it. Chirag,
Sir, 1.
for this AP, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13.
1, 1.
Very good. And S2? S2?
Sir, 1 minute. 2 by 2 हो जाएगा. 2 by 2 1. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, Shivansh.
Sir, 5.
S2 will be?
5, 5.
Very good. And
5.
S3?
Yes, sir, 5.
S3?
S3. 2 by 2.
मैं बताऊं?
सिंपली ऐड करना है. S का मतलब क्या था? सम ऑफ n टर्म. हर एक चीज रटने से नहीं होएगी. समझो भी उसको कि सम S का मतलब क्या है? S1 that is sum of first term.
Sir, 12.
This is my first term.
Sir, 12.
Mute. So S1 will be 1, and for S2 that is the meaning of the first two term. The sum of first two term is S2. So 1 plus 4 that is 5. Now what is the meaning of S3? That is the sum of first three term. That is 1 plus 4 plus 7 that is 12. So S4 will be 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10. That is 22. This is the meaning of sum of n term. Now, S1 denotes A1. Sum of one term, the sum of first term is equal to A1. And if we subtract S1 from S2, S2 that is 5 minus 1, this is 4. And this is the second term. For A3, this will be S3 minus S2. S3 that is 12 minus S2 that is 5. So this is 7. So we can write that AN equals Sn minus 1. This is very important formula. Nth term equals Sn minus 1. आपको ये नोट नहीं करना. This is only for understanding. This is the formula. Nth term equals Sn minus 1. अगर second term फाइंड करेंगे that is A2, then this will be S2 minus 2 minus 1 S1. For A16, this will be S16 minus S15. This is the meaning of this formula. If you want to find the any term and you know the two term, the sum of two consecutive numbers, Then we will find the value of A2, A16, A5, everything that we want. So write down the formula. Nth term equals Sn minus 1. Now in 11th statement it is given that if the sum of first n terms of an AP is, this is Sn 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. What is the first term? So find the first term. We are saying that A1 equals S1. First term equals sum of first term. So substitute the value n equals 1. You will find the value of A1. Put here 1 minus 1 square. So this is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So A1, that is the first term, is 3. A1 is 3. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Manan?
सर ये समझ में नहीं आया 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर
समझ नहीं आया बेटा, थोड़ा लाउड बोलो, स्पीक लाउड. Yes, Ayushman. I'm repeating. First, we have discussed the formula of nth term, that is A1 is always equal to S1. In the statement, question number 11, we have given that in an AP, sum of n term is represented by 4n minus n square and find the first term. To find the first term,
नहीं लेके आने
find the sum of one term, that is S1. So put the value and
फैमिली में सिस्टम मिल रही है कल ऊपर
you will find the value of A1, that is 3.
हैं
Now any doubt?
सर
Yes?
सर ये Sn इक्वल टू 4n माइनस x स्क्वायर वाला ही समझ में नहीं आया.
बेटा 11 के क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट पढ़ो, स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है. कब से बोल रहा हूँ कि 11 क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट.
सर वो तो समझ में आ गया.
Now next it is asked that what is the sum of the first two term. So for the sum of first two term, find S2. Simply put the value n equals 2. So this is 4 into 2, 8, minus 2 square 4, plus minus minus, and the symbol will be of 8, that is plus 4. S2 is 4. Now, what is the second term? Now for second term, we will use the formula this. A2 equals S2 minus S1. So A2 equals, first write the formula, that is An equals Sn minus 1. Now A2 will equal S2 minus 1, that is 1. Now S2 is 4 minus S1, that is 3. So this is 1. Now, similarly find third and 10th and nth term. आपको थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करनी है. Find third and 10th term. Find third and 10th term of Find third and 10th term. Yes, Manan.
मेरी बारी नहीं आती, मेरे पेन नहीं।
Devendra, third term is -1. Not wrong. Simply. एक मिनट. Third term. Yes, find third and 10th term. ठीक है. Third and 10th term find करनी है. Now for third term, the formula will be A3 equals S3 minus S2. So for S3, substitute the value 3. This will become 4 into 3 minus 3 square minus S2, that is plus 4. So 4 is a 12 minus 9 minus 4. This will become 12 minus 13, that is minus 1. So A3, that is the third term, is minus 1. Any doubt? Yes, Manan. Yes, Devendra.
हेलो
सर मेरा आंसर भी यही था।
हाँ, वो मुझे लगा कि सम ऑफ एंड थ्री टर्म फाइंड करना है, तो दैट वाज
सर
तो सही है। यस
Thank you,
सर
sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
नहीं सर।
चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन।
सर वो तो सही है।
तो जब मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, वो आ रही है।
सर वो आप पहले बताया वो नहीं आ रही है, वो अभी भी नहीं आ रही सही से।
ओके, एसएन के लिए फॉर्मूला था, एएन के लिए जो फॉर्मूला बनाया था दैट इज एसएन माइनस एसएन माइनस 1। S1 और A1 सेम कंडीशन होते हैं, तो हमने यहाँ पे N1 पुट किया है। और S2 we substitute the value N equals 2, and for A2 this will become S2 minus S1. Now is it clear? Now we have to find value of A10. For A10, the formula will be S10 minus S10 minus 1, that is 9. So simply put the value 10. This is 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus S9, that is 4 into 9 minus 9 square. So this is only the calculation left. So you can solve this. Now the last part of this is find the nth term. Find the nth term. This is very important. For nth term, formula will be Sn minus 1.
इस पर ज्यादा लेके आना है।
Sn is 4 n minus n square. This is Sn minus Sn minus 1 means जहां जहां n है वहां पे हम क्या प्लेस कर देंगे, n minus 1. So this will become 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Now solve this. This will become 4n minus n square minus, this is 4n minus 4 minus n minus 1 whole square. Yes, Kuldeep. Kuldeep. Mayank. n minus 1 whole square. Formula for n minus 1 whole square. Ayushman.
Sir, n square plus 2. Sir, n square plus 2n. N square minus 2n plus 1 square.
Very good. This is n square plus 1 square, that is 1 minus 2n. Now this will become 4n minus n square minus 4n minus minus plus 4. This is minus minus plus, so write this as it is, n square plus 1 minus 2n. So this can cancel out, and this also we left with only 4 plus 1 5 minus 2n. 5 minus 2n. This is the formula for SN. No, this is not the formula, this is the AP. How we will find the AP nth term of this statement? Now, if you put the value of 3, n equals 3, you will get the same answer. This minus 1. And if you put the value 2, then you will get this answer, same A2. Any doubt? Chirag, doubt? Any doubt? Okay, next. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer. Write down this and read the statement. 12th question statement. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So divisible बोले चाहे बोले multiple. So first divisible of 6 is 6, second 12, third 18. So this is my 18. Where A is 6, B is A2 minus A1, that is 12 minus 6, 6, and n is given 40. Where n is 40. So you can find the sum of these. S40 find करना हो जाएगा. Similarly, the 13th question, find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 are first multiple 8, second 16, third 24. Same question. And the last question is find the sum of the odd numbers. That is question number 15. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So odd numbers start from this is 14. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7. So these are odd numbers. Again apply the same formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Board के मनन sit straight. Yes.
सर ये 12, 13, 14 तीनों क्वेश्चन 11th वाले से तरीके से करने हैं.
क्या?
ये 12, 13 और 14 क्वेश्चन तीनों 11th वाले क्वेश्चन जैसे करने हैं.
नहीं, 11th क्वेश्चन अलग है, 12th में सीधा डाटा दिया हुआ है. आपको सीधे फॉर्मूले यूज करने हैं जैसे हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था.
ये वैल्यू पुट करनी है 13, 14 दोनों में.
Yes, 13, 12, 13, 14 सेम है.
Okay.
Yes, खुशी. खुशी, any doubt? Yes, खुशी. Okay. Now from question number 15 to 20 is eliminated by CBSE. This portion is deducted. This is known as problems based on sum of n terms in your daily life. This portion is eliminated. That is sum number 15 to 20. But we will discuss in the class. And today homework is question number 10 to 14. टेन टू 14 क्वेश्चन आपने नोटबुक में करने हैं. अभी एक क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूं, वैसे क्वेश्चन आपको 6-7 रफ नोटबुक में करने हैं. Write the statement. Find the sum of first n positive integer. Find the sum of first n positive integer. Write the statement. Find the sum of first n positive integer. So first of all, first positive integer is 1, then second 2, 3, 4 and up to n term. This is my AP. And I have to find the formula to find the sum of first n positive integer. Find the sum of first n positive integer. So A is 1 and B is A2 minus A1, that is 2 minus 1, 1, and Sn is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is n and 2A, A is 1. So 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into D. Here D is 1. So this is n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So this is n by 2. This is 2 minus 1. 1. So n plus 1. So Sn is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula to find the first sum of first n positive integer. Any doubt in this question? Raise your hand if you have doubt in this question. Find the sum of first n positive integer. Shivansh, any doubt? Chirag? Madhusudan, any doubt? Mayank?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Now, write the statement. This is the first question and second question is find the sum of first n even number. This is your homework. Second question is find the sum of first n even number. Third question is find the sum of first n odd number. These two extra questions you have to write. Find the sum of first n even number and first n odd number. Yes, Manan.
सर ये सर एक बार बोर्ड थोड़ा नीचे वाला सर थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो ना, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ पूरा स्क्रीन का।
सब कुछ विजिबल है, इतना ही लिखा है।
सर ये इस सर n/2 2 + n-1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है ना?
नहीं है। स्क्रीनशॉट
ओके
के
सर,
लिए इसको नोट डाउन कर लो।
ओके सर, ले लो।
बेटा मैंने यहीं तक लिखा है, गौरी यहीं तक लिखा हुआ है। दिस इज द लास्ट लाइन। Okay, now read the statement of 16 sum. A sum rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to a student of a school for their overall academic performance. Read the statement. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. तो इसमें मुझे सिर्फ इतना बता दो कि प्रीसीडिंग प्राइस का मतलब क्या होगा। रेज योर हैंड इफ यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग प्राइस। इफ ईच प्राइस इज रुपीज 20 लेस देन इट्स प्रीसीडिंग प्राइस। यस चिराग।
सर प्रीसीडिंग प्राइस मतलब सर वो फर्क, मतलब इसके ऊपर वाले उससे 20 रुपए ज्यादा होंगे।
समझ नहीं आया बेटा, दोबारा रिपीट करो।
सर जैसे कि अगर ना सेकंड को ना फर्स्ट को ना सेकंड से 20 रुपए ज्यादा मिलेंगे और सेकंड को थर्ड से 20 रुपए ज्यादा मिलेंगे।
फर्स्ट वाला है अगर उसको रुपीज 100 मिल रहे हैं तो सेकंड वाले को कितना मिलेगा? 80 रुपीज।
80 रुपीज। यस सर।
Okay, this will we will discuss tomorrow because there is only 1 minute left. Okay, mark your attendance and leave the class.